Read this.
God, I love those shirts. Yeah. Let's get this baby on the dyno. Hand down, straight. Stop. Alright, so we finally got Evan's car on the dyno. Let's get to this.
You can kind of dig into the throttle and see, okay, is the fueling right? Is the timing right? And then dig in a little bit harder, and a little bit harder, and checking each time.
Yeah. That sounded good.
That is not bad right now.
Not bad right now. Not bad right now, right now.
Dang, I might win.
It might win?
This bet.
You might win?
I might win this bet. That's a good sound.
Yeah.
I might win this bet.
Already did 290 and that was just a...
That was 290?
Yeah.
Already way above stock.
Yeah, already way above stock. It's been a long, hard road, but we're about to make some power with this thing, aren't we?
Yes, sir. Man, yeah, we've had pretty much an issue with like every category. You know, we had fueling issues back there with the two little junctions in the tank. And we had discussed this a week ago. In the fuel video a week ago, I discussed this one, which wasn't actually, it was a problem, but it wasn't all of the problem. There was also then this one. So I cannot stress enough, as I already stressed in the prior video, how important these junctions are. Like, they must be fully tight. Like, I could not get, we first started this, we got 90 PSI, and then as it loosened up, now I couldn't get any more than 45 PSI. No coincidence that anywhere above 45 PSI fuel pressure, we were having breakup. So, this and this, like, that is our problem. This is the only part of the fuel setup that I did not touch. This part right here. And now, it is the problem. Like, you cannot pay too much attention to fuel setup stuff. Okay. That's sealed up. Then we had boost issues with the wastegate where it was generating too much boost. We decided to switch to ethanol because we had talked about switching to ethanol anyways, and because of the boost levels we were hitting, I was like, yeah, let's switch to ethanol. So we did that, and the car's running pretty good right now. It did several pulls yesterday and some pretty good power numbers. So we're looking for a little bit more refinement and to do a final number today so that we can take it out and have some fun tomorrow.
Me and Ethan are gonna rep the lights on the dyno, okay, guys? Flash the whole time. It's party time on the dyno.
Evan was saying yesterday that he had, I guess he had control over the colors. He's like, all right, we're gonna do green if it's, you know, good pull.
Yeah.
Red if it's a bad pull.
Yeah.
That's a pretty good
cold start.
85,000 cc AC, no idle air control valve start. I like it. It was giving us problems starting up, and I wasn't sure at that point if it was, you know, that I needed to change something in the tune, because we were making so many changes and diagnosing so many things that sometimes you don't get to a really, you know, you don't want to go refining completely something that may not even be right, you know, that you're, so, because like, we knew that fuel pressure wasn't building on the pressure regulator, so I was adding fuel in the tune, even though knowing that the really right thing was going to be that we had to get that fuel pressure regulator building pressure again. So I added fuel in the tune, and then so once we got that working, then I had to pull this wall of fuel away, and that's when we saw the boost level just escalating all the way to infinity. And so like right now it's a really rich running. I need to definitely trim some fuel away from it at this moment. But it seemed like it was running good enough once you're, you know, in throttle. So a lot more refinement to do to make this tune perfect, but it seems to be making the power decently enough, and that's all we needed to do for tomorrow.
That's all we need to do for Lone Star Bash. All right, we're gonna walk you through the changes, show you some pulls, have some fun.
Falling off badly at the end because there's a lot of fuel up there. We were going down into the, not just 10s, but down into the 9s air fuel, so we've got a lot of fuel to trim away in the top end. It should grow a significant amount of power then. This is going to end up besting many of the 2J cars that we've had on this dyno. A lot of them are hovering right around that 480, 500 mark, so if we can do 500 wheel, which it looks possible maybe here, so. Got a little bit of fuel trimmed away. This hopefully should be a little bit better even still, so.
Let's see what it is.
Like within a couple horsepower.
There we go. Heck yeah.
And it's consistently there. Let me pull up the two traces. So there's the two traces. The new trace, the higher trace there is with that little bit of fuel pulled out that I just did.
Yeah.
So now it looks like maybe, I mean, the fueling was still rich, although it wasn't super rich anymore. So I might not have a whole lot more power to pull out of it by just taking fuel away there. I'm probably going to have to, maybe I'll have to experiment with adding some timing. It is stock cams, so we expect it to fall off. That's a pretty large fall off, so I'm going to see if I can do anything to correct that, to extend the power band. It's making the power pretty early though. The turbo is lighting off nice, and it's making a gang of torque, man. Right there, making the same torque basically as the 10 horsepower.
Wow.
That is a good drift setup right there.
Yeah, it definitely seems like the other 2J and 1J cars that we've had haven't been making quite
the turbo choice is so much better here. Like Tyler's had this T4, like kind of old school, you know, diesel truck turbo basically. You know? So yeah, I mean, this is doing excellent. It has much better power band than any of those S366 cars. That's a really common turbo. That's what's on that one, and probably, I don't know, 5-6 other cars that I've tuned have had that Borg Warner S366, which is a fine turbo, but there's a lot better out there, especially depending on your power goal. You know, you don't want to pick a turbo that's a 800 horsepower turbo if you're going to be operating down at 400 horsepower.
Yep.
You also don't want to have 800 horsepower turbo if you're going to try to operate at 800 horsepower.
You need to find a nice happy.
You need some kind of headroom, but you don't want to be doubled, you know, or whatever, because then you're leaving a lot of response and area under the curve on the table.
Yep. So that just shows really good turbo choice, comp turbo. Absolutely. Yep. It's a really good setup. So you made some changes.
Yeah, still trimmed away a little bit more fuel on the top end there. That last like 1,000 RPMs, it was 10.5, 10.4, something like that. So
okay,
should pick up another little bit of power from there, hopefully.
Hopefully. All right, let's get to it. Horsepower gain and consistent. Look at the torque. Wow.
Hold up this a little bit better. See right here?
Yep, definitely. All right, well that little change seemed to help a little bit. We're getting somewhere.
It needs to go further in that same direction. Cleaner up top there.
Yeah.
475.
477 torque. What?
You can see how instead of continuing to fall here,
yeah,
it started to lay out.
Started to lay out a little bit more. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. We're going to check the spark plugs, look at them, make sure everything's healthy.
Also, we'll get an idea as to if the timing that I'm currently at is, you know, appropriate, or if I got a little bit of room to add, or where we're at with that. That is a happy looking plug. I could not be more pleased.
You want to explain to everybody what you're looking at?
Well, I'm looking at the color of it, the cleanliness of it, the lack of speckling, the distinct color change on the strap, and that it's happening in the middle of the strap pretty much. So I know I'm safe on timing right now. I mean, I'm looking at this circle that it has an even color, you know, but it's not black.
Yeah.
So while we are running rich, a little bit rich at times, it's not accumulating on the spark plug. But yeah, I mean, no speckles. Man, it looks so good. That is so happy right there.
Yeah.
It looks content to do another 100 horsepower if it's available. Like,
yeah.
No doubt.
This is our last and final pull.
Still rich there, man.
Yep.
Numbers, but I mean, we're doing 480 over and over and over, which is not a bad thing.
No, it's not a bad thing at all. I think it's pretty much a success.
Yeah. Literally gonna do one more pull, man.
Okay. And just so y'all know, I'm handing the camera over to this man for Lone Star Bash, so y'all can expect a whole video from this guy next episode. pretty good.
Still pretty rich, but right there the same, 483.
Yep. 483.
Let me see what the shape looks like and if it's starting to pull up at the end. A little bit right there, a little bit.
Yeah, it's not as bad.
That's a lot of 480 plus wheel horsepower passes though.
Yeah.
And they're all like the same shape there. That's good. I like it.
Well, I think we're gonna call this thing a success to send to Bash.
Yep.
All right, man, great work. Ethan said, no, we're not done yet. We're gonna do one more pass. Yeah, gotta do it. Yep, that is the highest, 487 and 480 torque. There we go.
5 seconds, 5 seconds.
Hurry up. Ethan swears that this is the last one.
Swear to God.
Swear to God. You gave it the whole enchilada there.
Oh, man.
Oh, man.
Why couldn't I get 3 more? Why couldn't I?
Oh, man. Woo.
I know I said I swear, but I mean, I can get 3 more.
Okay, okay. Get 3 more.
5074 right here.
Yeah, I'm going to call it ahead of time, 503. Drew over there, the true pessimist, 499.99. Survey says, All right, here we go, 503, 503, let's do Yes! 507, baby. Heck yeah, man. Hey, good job. Heck yes. Yes, yes, yes. 507. Well, I think this thing's ready to send to Bash.
Send it and have fun. Hell yeah.
Once again, thank you for taking the time out of your day for watching another episode of Trackstar Mediaworks. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button for us. We'd really appreciate it, and we'll see y'all next episode. Boom!